I hope you were able to add this tip row here. If not, no worries, we're going to do it right now. So we're still inside of our widgets. Let's see, we have our center, our container. Let's see, finishing up our inkwell there. So right about here, I'm going to say tip like this. So put another row. Main axis, say main axis. I want space in between. Children. And we're going to pass, first of all, a text, which will say something like tip. And let's put style here. Color, I'm going to make this colors.gray. Give a shade of 700, that's fine. That's about it so far for our text there. And next, I'm going to put another text. And this text here will hold the total tip value. Something like 34, like this, okay? And you can see there it is. And notice we are actually in the same row. So we need to get out of this row because this has to be the bottom of split. So I think I made a mistake somewhere. Let's get rid of this. Right, we have to be outside of this row there. So let's save that and should be at the bottom. Very good. So depending on where you're putting things, of course, they will appear exactly where you put them, even though that's not what you intended. That's the beauty of programming, I guess. Now, this value here obviously will change because the idea here is that as we move our slider, which we haven't created, we are going to automatically calculate the tip that is needed. You'll see in a second. Okay, but at least now it's working. It's looking pretty decently well. Let's make it look better just like this. Again, for our text here, I'm going to put a style, text style with a purple color, and font weight, make it bold. Font size, I'm going to say about 17, I believe. Looking very good. So let's wrap this text inside of a padding. And this padding is going to be about 18. So that way you can see the change now looks much better. There's nice padding around this entire row. So pretty much looks exactly like this. Okay, very good. So we were able to then add this tip and things are looking really good. So in the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to work on this widget here. In fact, there's two widgets. There is the slider and of course this text here, which will be responding to the movement of our slider.